Hey guys, Jake Fair here with WarpFX. Another really quick tutorial showing you how easy it is to use our presets in Premiere Pro. So basically, when you have your clips laid out in the timeline here, you're going to identify the point where the two clips transition. Shift arrow, every time you do that, it selects 5 frames. I like to do 10 for our presets. Select 10 on each side with your shift arrow keys. Go ahead and nest these clips just so that they are for sure the same size as your sequence and there's no errors. Navigate to your pack, find an effect. The out effects go on the out transition and the in go on the in. For detailed instructions on exactly how to apply each single effect, you can hover over them and it'll give you specific instructions for that effect. All of them are pretty similar, but you can read them. And that's it. That's how you apply our presets. It's simple, drag and drop. Easy as that. If you aren't familiar with the transitions that I'm displaying in this tutorial, please go visit warpfx.ca.